Today we are going to show you how to kickstart your print-on-demand store for free and turn your creative ideas into a successful business. Let's talk about why print-on-demand is a game changer. You focus on what you love, designing, and we handle the heavy lifting, printing, packing, and shipping. No inventory hassles, no storage fees, and no worries about unsold stock. It's all about letting your creativity shine while minimizing financial risk. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose a niche that excites you. Whether it's quirky pet designs or motivational quotes, find something you are passionate about. Step 2. Use free design software to bring your ideas to life. There are plenty of resources online to help you create stunning visuals. Step 3. Launch your store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. It's that easy. With these steps, you are not just starting a store, you are building a brand and a community. Once your store is live, it's time to list your products. Make sure each listing is eye-catching and detailed to attract potential buyers. Next, market your store through social media and online communities. Share your story and connect with your audience to build a loyal customer base. Don't forget about customer service. Handling inquiries promptly and professionally can set you apart from the competition. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store to others. Finally, monitor and adjust your strategy. Keep an eye on sales trends and customer feedback. Use this data to refine your offerings and marketing efforts. Flexibility and responsiveness are key to long-term success. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of print-on-demand and unleash your creativity. Your dream store is just a click away. Start today and see where your imagination takes you. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in next video.